Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Prague. First, ensure you have a valid ticket before boarding any vehicle. You must validate your ticket immediately upon entering a metro station or a tram or bus. Tickets are available for various durations, including single rides, 24 hours, or 72 hours. Remember, children under 6 years old and seniors over 70 years old can travel for free, making it convenient for families and older visitors. Prague's public transport system is comprehensive, offering several convenient options. The metro features 3 distinct lines: the Green Line, the Yellow B Line, and the Red C Line, covering major parts of the city. Trams provide extensive coverage, often offering scenic routes. Buses fill in the gaps, connecting areas not reached by metro or tram. Don't forget the funicular railway to Petrin Hill, which is also included. Understanding ticket validation is crucial for a smooth journey. A 30-minute ticket costs 30 Czech koruna, while a 90-minute ticket is 40 Czech koruna. For longer stays, a 24-hour ticket is 120 Czech koruna, and a 72-hour ticket costs 330 Czech koruna. Always validate your ticket at the yellow machines before your first ride to avoid fines, which can be up to 1,500 Czech koruna. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey, planning is key. Utilize online maps or the official PID Lidachka app to navigate routes efficiently. Always keep your validated ticket readily accessible, as inspectors frequently check. Be mindful of your belongings, particularly in crowded areas, to prevent pickpocketing. Finally, remember to respect local customs, such as offering your seat to elderly or pregnant passengers, making your travel experience pleasant for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.